So his dog. Look at the, park. If you don't clean your dog poop, you get fined $125. See? so, so that's why the park here is very clean. Because if you have a dog going strolling around in the park, you need to bring some plastic bag for your dog poop, and then look after your dog that it don't poop anywhere. That is how it is. Look at this one river. This place is beautiful. I'm going now. Someone is coming. Okay, bye-bye. See you next time.